coconut sweet chili sweet potatoes. Sweet and sweet, guys. Nothing is wrong with that. This is the recipe I'm gonna share with you today. Super simple. So the first thing I'm doing is to wash and prep my potatoes. Some people call them yam. In Jamaica, we consider these sweet potatoes. Next, I'm going to cut the potatoes into cubes, and I want to ensure that I have around the same size across the board, because this will ensure that the potatoes are cooked evenly. I'm not gonna measure these or anything. I'm basically gonna eyeball the sizes, and at the end you will notice that some are bigger than the other, but it's not way off. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finished chopping these. They look pretty much the same size. And this is the baking pan that I'll be baking them in. I'm adding olive oil. Some dried basil. And smoked paprika. Now I'm going to give this a good rub to ensure that the olive oil and the basil and the smoked paprika is well coated. Next, I'm going to bake it at 375 for 30 minutes. Guys, our potatoes are in the oven. Now I'm going to make the coconut sweet chili sauce. To a pot, I'm adding 4 tablespoons salted butter, teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey, next I'm adding 1/4 cup sweet chili sauce. I may add more, but I'll wait first. And 1/4 cup coconut milk. Guys, can I tell you something? This combination smells so good. It's something that it's not like a perfume, but it's something pleasant that I would use this as an air freshener. It smells that good, guys. I would use this as an air freshener for real. All right, so I'm adding some more sweet chili sauce to just brighten the color a little bit and add some more flavor. I'm not gonna add any salt because the butter is already salted, and after tasting it, it tastes absolutely perfect. So guys, this is the coconut sweet chili sauce. You can add this to anything you're cooking, whether it be salmon, shrimp, chicken, pork. For pork, I would add some ginger to this and probably a few cloves of garlic. But yeah, this sauce is one of my favorites. So after 30 minutes, I remove the potatoes from the oven and I just pour the sauce all over it. I'm putting this back in the oven, same 375. This time I'll use foil paper to cover it and I'll let it bake for another 15 minutes. By then the potatoes will be absolutely soft and gooey. That's what I'm looking for. But guys, I love the aroma that is coming from this recipe, and I hope that you'll try it. Let me know if there is any recipe that you may want to see me cook, and if it's possible, then I'll definitely do it and share it here on Stir Taste Adjust. Guys, it is ready. This is what the end result looks like. It not only comes as a flavored potato, But guys, you have some sauce in there that you can add to whatever you're eating. And I'm just garnishing it with some scallions. Guys, I hope that this recipe was very useful to you. And remember, if you are new to Stir Taste, just to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you will be notified when I post new videos. Until then, what good? Peace.